The benefits of keep cleaning your living space to simplify life. Keeping your living space clean is essential for maintaining a simple, organized, and stress-free life. A clean living space provides numerous benefits that can improve your physical and mental health, productivity, and overall well-being. Here, we'll explore the benefits of keeping your living space clean and how it can simplify your life. 1. Reduces stress levels. A cluttered and dirty living space can be stressful and overwhelming, making it challenging to relax and unwind. Cleaning your living space can help you create a calm and peaceful environment, reducing your stress levels. You'll feel more in control of your surroundings, which can positively impact your mental health. 2. Improved physical health. A clean living space can help improve your physical health. Dirt, dust, and other allergens can accumulate in a cluttered and unclean living space, leading to respiratory issues, allergies, and other health problems. Regular cleaning can remove these allergens, keeping your home clean and healthy. 3. Boosts productivity. A clean living space can also boost your productivity. A cluttered and messy living space can be distracting, making it difficult to focus and be productive. When your living space is clean and organized, you'll be able to focus better and work more efficiently. 4. Saves time and money. Keeping your living space clean and organized can save you time and money in the long run. When your home is cluttered, you may spend hours searching for lost items. By keeping your living space clean and organized, you'll be able to find things more quickly, saving you time. Additionally, regular cleaning can help prolong the life of your belongings, saving you money in the long run. 5. Improved sleep quality. A clean and organized living space can also improve your sleep quality. A cluttered and unclean bedroom can negatively impact your sleep, leading to a lack of energy and productivity during the day. By keeping your bedroom clean and organized, you'll be able to create a relaxing environment that promotes healthy sleep. 6. Creates a positive mindset. A clean and organized living space can create a positive mindset. When your home is clean and clutter-free, you'll feel more in control of your life, leading to a positive outlook on life. Additionally, a clean living space can help improve your self-esteem and confidence. 7. Improves relationships. A clean living space can also improve your relationships. When your home is clean and organized, you'll feel more comfortable inviting friends and family over, leading to better social connections. Additionally, when you live with others, a clean living space can help reduce conflicts and improve communication. In conclusion, keeping your living space clean can simplify your life and provide numerous benefits, including reduced stress levels, improved physical health, boosted productivity, time and money savings, improved sleep quality, positive mindset, and improved relationships. While cleaning can be a daunting task, taking small steps each day can help keep your living space clean and organized. By prioritizing cleaning, you'll be able to create a simple, stress-free, and healthy living environment that supports your goals and aspirations.